Respect is the second value of the four foundational values. We must respect others and ourselves. Respect others is not about people only. It also means respect resources, money, and reputation. When we show respect, it will likely result in reciprocal respect, and it will also create an environment of trust, confidence, and excellence. Now, how can we respect resources, money, and reputation? We respect resources by being a responsible citizen, by not wasting resources, not taking actions that may result in damaging the environment in the short or long run. We respect money by not wasting money on or off the project. The thinking that we have saved some money on a few activities, so now we don't have to be careful, is wrong. Imagine if we are working for a client and the client finds out that we could have saved money, but instead we wasted it just because we had some extra. This will not go really well. Respect reputation is when we refrain from spreading rumors or misinformation that can damage someone's reputation. We also want to be able to express diversity in our opinions. And we need to value and encourage diversity in the environment. So, the aspirational standards, they include, first, we are expected to become aware of norms and culture of stakeholders we are working with to show respect and to avoid any chances of being disrespectful to their culture or the environment. We must behave in a way that is not against the culture or norms of the society we are operating in. Now, it will be rare that where we have been living and working for long that we will end up in such a dilemma. But what if, as a project manager, we are to work in a foreign country? That is where the standard will guide us well. Second, we must listen to opinions expressed by others and listen to understand and not just pretend that we are listening. We need to know why they are saying something. Especially when we are unclear, we should ask follow-up questions and we should not just assume. Third, if we disagree with someone, we should not be going behind their back and talking to others. No, we need to bring the disagreement up with them and try to get it resolved or at least discuss with them, not with others, as it creates an environment of distrust. Fourth, we must always be professional, even in cases where the others are being unprofessional. We must not leave professionalism in any case. Now, in terms of mandatory standards of respect, be fair when negotiating. Do not try to gain benefits in a way that it starts to hurt or may hurt others. It includes not using our expertise or power to divert the benefits in our favor with a detrimental effect on others. Never take on abusive behavior. Some managers think that being a manager, it is their right to be abusive to their employees or team members. That is wrong. This is the opposite of what is expected by the value of respect. But if an employee has made a serious mistake, or we are really upset and angry about it, if we focus on understanding why the mistake was made and how we can recover from it and also avoid such mistakes in future, we will have replaced that anger and frustration with some positive actions and have avoided being abusive. And the last one is to respect others' property rights. It includes doing anything that can damage the environment or create a hazard.